Zoom had earnings yesterday, correct? And it is down ZM slash ZM slash ZM. Tesla on highs slash ZM. I don't know why this is not letting me load. It wants to load. It wants to load the bonds instead of Zoom. Look at that. Tesla on highs, 192, high a day. And look at that Zoom. Wow. That's quite nice. 66.50 is the spot. 67.20. I'm up at 66.50. We'll see what happens there. Tesla, not sure if I'm going to get those. AMD coming in finally, but down below. I did get Zoom up here at 55 cents. And this is basically day one earnings type of play. There's not much for me to do here. It needs to revisit lows, 65.20 low a day. Yeah, there's not much for me to do here. Stops above 20 cents, which it's rapidly approaching, but not much for me to do there on this play. Looking for new lows. AMD starting to come in, and Zoom popping straight up to 67, and very close to getting stopped out on Zoom. Where am I at? Stop is 67.22. I'm 5 cents away from getting stopped out on Zoom. AMD coming in, Tesla coming in. I'm not sure I'm going to get those Teslas. Yeah. I am not sure I'm going to get those Teslas. AMD coming in still. I'm still down there at the hole. Or at 20 cents, I should say. We're down into the 70 cents area here. So, and I'm about to take a stop on Zoom. Stopped out of Zoom there. But I want to see if we get back down below, back down here rather quickly. So I would take a second shot at it if it did come in. It's kind of thin, Zoom, right now. AMD. Nope. Tesla. Do I need to move up? I think I may have gotten stop run on the Zoom. I'm gonna try again up here at like 45 cents. Against 80 something cents. I'm gonna try to get it up there again. So more like here, 45 cents against, yeah, 80 cents. I'm going to try to get that up there. I think I got wicked out on that. Tesla, I don't really see a way in. AMD still coming in. I'm going to be patient with this zoom. It's thin. It can fly up there really quickly and come back down. But, yeah. Maybe it was a bit early on that zoom. Let's see if we can get another fill up here. AMD did not get down. Tesla breaking above that resistance line. I don't want Tesla up there. Tesla will blow through all that and come back down. Here's Zoom coming back up. I get those 43s. I did not get them. I was right on the offer. I did not get those 43s. Let me lower down to 30 something. I did not get them. I did not get them. Very light up there. Very light up there. Can we get up to those 30s one more time? I'm not sure we can. I'm not sure we can. What is this? 21 cents. We move this down to 21 cents. Can we get up there? Amazon on highs. I got it there. Short zoom again. Going back, I would have gotten my 43s. Stops at 80 cents. This will be the last time I try it. Hopefully it doesn't just jam up on me, but I feel like I got wicked out there. Short zoom, 23-cent average. We are looking for lows on a first day trade. So Amazon on highs. Let's set a new high day above 16. And then let's look at everything else. AMD did not get. Tesla did not get. I'm gonna, I think, cancel my AMDs. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting these AMDs. I don't think I'm getting those. Tesla on a tear. Tesla at 92. It didn't even pull back. It just kept going. Got like 3.5 minutes till some numbers, home sales and manufacturing. I might need to get bigger in this zoom, actually. Coin on highs. Let's set a new high day. Let's look, what did Meta do? Meta, Coin, Microsoft in pre-market range, Google pre-market range, Baba, just kind of bouncing around here. Let's take a look. Oops, I didn't mean to move zoom. Zoom back below 67 now. Big order just went through right there. What was that? Almost 100,000 shares hit on the bid. Let's see what happens there. Tesla. There's Tesla at 92. So let's say 192.50 high day will be the next spot. Tesla coming in slightly. AMD, Amazon, Nvidia, Apple, Baba, Google, Coin. I don't know if I want those Teslas anymore down there. I'm going to cancel them. I'm just going to leave it on Zoom here. Zoom, we're looking for 65, maybe even 64. That's another potential. 64. If this thing starts working. Part of me is thinking I need to get bigger up here. Let's see what happens. Not much for me to do here in terms of managing the position. I mean, I got back in. I have a pretty clear plan on what I want to do. The only thing I need to decide is if I want to try to get bigger. But here comes Zoom. If we get down to 65.20 really quickly, I'm going to just cover it down there. Down to below 67 now, so we'll see if we start making progress. 66.77, yeah, back down here. Starting to head back down, so I think I just got wicked out on that first attempt. I think I may have been just early. I think I need to get bigger in this Zoom. 10 a.m. number, I'm going to try to get it at 43 cents. And then, where's my buy stop? 88 cents. We'll see if I can get more up there, but we'll see. Tesla coming in now. I canceled my Tesla bids. They were down at 189. Don't have those anymore. Or they were at 188.80, right? Down below 189. Tesla coming in. There's that number, that 10 a.m. number, that manufacturing. AMD not coming in at all. Zoom down to the 70s. Zoom into the 60s, 50s. '40s, '30s. Too bad I could not get that extra lot on. That was the right idea. 30s, 40s. I really need to see if this Zoom will go retest those lows at 65. Here's the 20s on Zoom. What is that node? It stopped down there at the 20s. I'm going to take one off at 24, just one down here, if I can get it. I did get it. Okay. So now I'm at 88 cents, and then I want 65.30. So I'm going to set my bid down there, and then 67.88 is my stop on the remainder. Let's see if Zoom can crack 66. So covered my risk there at 20 something cents. Now looking for this to follow through. There are a couple nodes here that I need to be mindful of, but we'll see what happens down there. See if we can crack 66. Tesla all the way down to 90, bleeding off from there. Here's 66 coming back. Looking for them to actually come and test 66, which they have not done. Tesla down to 90 now and continuing to come in. Tesla below 90, now at 89. Here comes 66 on Zoom. It won't crack, won't even get tested. They're not hitting it. Gonna take one more off down here in front of 66. Didn't get it. Got it there. I got a third left. So there goes. Zoom below 66. And I have little appetite for giving back on this. I'm setting a very tight stop. In fact, it's going to stop me out right here. And I'm going to call it a day and head off to work. So just going to lock it in and move along. Unless this wants to just drop out right now. There it is. I am flat Zoom, and I have a low a day set in case it does make its way back down there. Otherwise, good job getting back in. Well, I don't know if it will get down there. Maybe it will. Maybe it requires a lot more patience than I have today. Either way, I'm going to call it for the day. I think I am green on it, even though I took that that first loss there. I think I was able to make that back and more on the second attempt. So otherwise, all these longs just couldn't get filled on any of them, like AMD, Apple, Tesla. Not Apple, I meant Amazon, Tesla. Yeah, look at that Zoom pop all the way back up. It's not ready yet. It'll probably have a flush, just it's not ready. The seller isn't willing to just decimate the price of it right now, but certainly there is very little buying appetite, and it's heavy. I mean, look at the action right here, the wicks. So, okay, heading off to work.